Today we have the 2021 Tesla Model 3. This vehicle has done just over 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our user interface, we have navigation as a feature, as well as an overview of the vehicle. This allows us to open the bonnet, charging port, and boot, all from within inside the car. If we click on our Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, dynamics, charging, autopilot, schedule, safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model 3 comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. If we press here, we can access our climate control with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.